I got my boarding pass.
Cool.
So I got 36B, and then mine, I got 36B. We're seating each other.
For a whole 5 hours? Love you.
And this one, this is Washington to Rochester. Are we the same?
No.
Totally different plane?
Whoa. Hang on.
We got our boarding pass and TSA check in.
We finally made it through security.
Yep.
Oh boy. And of course they pulled my bag out to the side to rescan because I left the drone in it. We are on the plane finally, and it is packed. That managed to find a overhead bin that wasn't too far from the seats, and I am glad we checked the 2 green bags finally. That they offered free bag check at the gate. We are finally getting ready for takeoff.
We'll be arriving there around 3 o'clock, something like that.
Yeah, we get there at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Then we get to Rochester 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Both local times, so.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
We are in, well, we're not in there yet, but
Still in there.
we're still in the air, but we're in Washington, D.C. and in Dallas. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to salvage that or not. But that's cool. It's been kind of a moderately long flight. It's, what, about 4 hours?
Yeah.
About the same time as Tokyo to Manila.
Yep.
You know, actually, I think it's a little bit quicker. Tokyo to Manila is like about 5 hours, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. But we're flying from one end of the country to the other too, though, so I'm being told by. So. The lineup has begun. Everybody's still waiting for the doors to open. We got to ride one of these cool shuttle buses coming up that we landed over there at that terminal and had to come over to this one. And that's how you get back and forth. And I would say one of the little tiny planes out there is ours, but it's not. That they haven't found one yet. It seems one was taken out of service, and now they're scrambling to try and find another one that they can reroute for this. And it is coming from Raleigh, South Carolina, I think is where she said. That the next available one is coming, that they're gonna reroute that one and deal with that fallout later. Oh boy. Well, we got a text that the plane just took off from Greenville and is heading here, and now the flight departs at 6:40. Oh boy. That's only about an hour and a half later than it was supposed to, but at least it's still going there. So here is Dulles Airport. They even have a currency exchange. I wonder if they got Filipino pesos in there. Kind of a nice little place. But I'm on my way back to meet Cindy and chill out for about an hour for our plane to get here.
Now you're back.
Our plane is finally here. People have deboarded.
Wow.
Now they're servicing it, and hopefully we can get out of here.
So again, I think like take away Xbox
Did-
and no social media.
I think it's 8:40 is when we're supposed to land in Rochester now. Uh-oh.
It's not the weather.
A little bit chilly here, huh? Yeah, this is the first time I've been in one of these. One of this type.
I'm excited. Super.
Got umbrellas in case it's raining.
Like super. So damn.
Oh, shoot. Man, I hope our bags have made it.
I know.
Take it.
Oh, careful.
Yep.
Oh,
This is gonna be fun getting out of it.
are you now? Good.
Yeah. Oops. Excuse me.
We're Turkey.
Way in the back.
Oh my. You want to end or end aisles? Doesn't matter.
Either way. Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
I know.
We made it to Rochester.
Finally. A little bit earlier than what I expected, so.
Uh-oh. Where's baggage claim?
Carousel number 1.
Okay. Where's carousel number 1?
Baggage claim area, you just follow the sign towards baggage claim.
All right, very cool. Thank you.
Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that.
This actually is kind of a cool little airport.
Yeah. It's like Rochester. And then I'm gonna celebrate.
Pretty nice little area.
It's like ocean. You see?
Yeah.
See? It's like waves. That's amazing.
Oh, cool.
Look at-
Oh, security check.
Is it, we're not
It's
going.
not that late, and this stuff's almost closed.
Look at it closing.
A lot of the shops are closed.
That's amazing. Oh, pretty.
Wow. Here you go. Car rentals.
Okay.
It's not gonna go. Oh, right here.
Oh, hey.
We'll go figure it out here. All right. You do baggage, I'll do car. We got a car from Maine.
And then it's like vacation land.
We made it to the Hyatt Rochester.
We're going down floor, right? For the. So we're at fourth floor.
Yeah, we're on 4th.
I need to go to the.
Street level Hyatt Regency. 2, I think, is Hyatt Regency.
Going ground floor.
We'll try to see what happens. Worst case, we get back up.
Yeah. Yeah, the car. So. Right. Stuck.
Hyatt Regency.
Oh, there you go.
Cool.
Over there, Daddy.
Hey, we found it. Well, I'm gonna cut this off while we check in.
This is where we meet up tomorrow. Starbucks, right?
I guess.
I got confused. I'm directional challenge.
Some days.
98%. I tell you. 2% is the only one that I will say that I'm good that I'm good with. 20001.
That way.
Oh, you're the best. That's why I want to keep you here on. There we go. Perfect. There's a key, right?
Cool.
Oh, perfect. Oh, I'm
I got it. I got it. Cool.
Oh, senior row. Look at that.
Oh, wine and crackers for Christmas.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Very cool.
He said, I'm hungry. So.
Nice little room.
Yeah, that's awesome.
But I'm gonna turn this off while we get put